Hi there, I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent Training. Welcome to our Word of the Day series, where I've been covering your requests for words you'd like help to pronounce in American English. Today's request was for the words excel and excel, the verb, for example, to excel in something, to be exceedingly good at it, and Excel, the spreadsheet software program. So let's look at these two words and talk about how to pronounce them easily and fluently in your everyday speech. First of all, excel, the verb, has second syllable stress. Similar to, there's a general pattern in English where some verbs have second syllable stress. Doesn't cut across all verbs, but it can be helpful to know. And when we have second syllable stress, our clear vowel goes in our stress syllable. So in excel, it sounds like the word sell. It has the red tent vowel. And then our first letter E doesn't have the red tent vowel. Instead, it has a reduced vowel, I, like the sound in between or did or different. And so you could think of that as being more like the letter I, which we often spell with I. The letter X in Excel says the X sound, so the K sound and the S sound. And the break in syllables is potentially right in the middle of those two sounds. So one letter, but it cuts across both syllables. Excel, excel. Importantly, I just want to be short and unstressed on that first vowel, first syllable, and hold the second syllable longer. Excel. Then when we're talking about Excel, the spreadsheet, it's actually potentially the exact same. So I can excel in using Excel programming. My Excel spreadsheet excels in demonstrating the information. So the pronunciation is the same. I put another potential pronunciation here because of the fact that Excel, the spreadsheet software company, is a name. You might have a little bit of stress on that first syllable, and you might be saying it a little bit more with an red tent vowel. I can say Excel with a definite light and ick, but if you hear some people saying more like Excel, Excel, with a little more length and a little bit more of an X sound, I think that's an acceptable pronunciation as well. It's still going to be second syllable stress. So the short answer is learn one of them and you can say both of them correctly. The subtlety is you may have a slightly tiny difference between the verb and the noun excel. Thank you for that suggestion. It was great. I did give you some examples of how to use that in a sentence, and I typically suggest once you can say the word by itself, do try putting it in some short phrases and sentences, because you may find that the new pronunciation doesn't come naturally to you without a little bit of practice. If you have a request you'd like to see in our Word of the Day series, feel free to leave that in the comments for this video or any of my videos. And we also can cover names, brand names, state names. So sometimes words like Excel are useful because you have to use them a lot. So think about what you say and what you struggle to say, and we'll cover that in our series for you. Thanks so much for all of the great suggestions that you've given me, and I'll continue to make videos for you. I'll be back again tomorrow with another Word of the Day class, as well as on Friday, we'll have our live question and answer class where you can attend and ask your questions live in the chat, and I'll answer them for you. Thank you so much to subscribers and channel members. I really appreciate your support. And if you'd like more information about that, check out our channel page, Speech Modification Seattle. You can also check out our free and paid online courses on speechmodification.com. They're a great way to improve your pronunciation, American accent, and more. Thank you. I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com. Remember, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you can do it. speechmodification.com. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.